Imagine the heart-stopping moment when you turn your key or push the start button and absolutely nothing happens, or even scarier. Your car tries to jump forward because the starter engaged while you were still in gear. This is exactly what can happen when your car throws the code P07BE, which points to a correlation problem with the transmission park position sensor circuit A and B. Basically, your car has two separate paths to verify that the transmission is safely in park before it allows the engine to fire up. When these two signals do not agree with each other, the computer plays it safe and might prevent you from starting the engine at all, or it might lock your shifter so you cannot even get out of park. It is a safety feature that feels like a massive inconvenience, but it is there for a reason. To fix this, you first need to find where your park position switch is located. On many cars, it is right on the side of the transmission where the shift cable attaches. You want to check if the linkage is loose or if the plastic bushings have worn out over time. If there is too much play in the handle, the sensor might not realize you are actually in park. Check the wiring connector for any bent pins or moisture that might have snuck in there. If everything looks tight and clean, you will need to use a multimeter to check the continuity of the switch in different gear positions. If the switch shows 0 ohms of resistance when it should be closed but gives you an erratic reading instead, then the internal contacts are probably toast. Replacing the switch is usually a straightforward bolt-on job, but you have to make sure it is aligned perfectly so the car knows exactly which gear you have selected. Do not ignore this code because a car that starts in gear is a huge safety hazard for you and anyone standing nearby. So get it sorted out as soon as you see that service engine soon light pop up on your dashboard.